Hey everyone, today I'm gonna review the Adidas Prophere. This is a kind of old shoes which was launched in 2017. I bought this in adidas.co.in in India. Okay, it's showing the date of import is on June 2018. In Indian retail price, it's showing 11,000 including all of taxes. You can get in very discounted price in adidas.co.in. You can get off the price. Okay, I'm just gonna open this. So finally, here is the beast. It's really looking like a beast only, like a very strong and very stiff, very attractive design. You can see this is a kind of a crocodile pattern over here, and this is one of my favorite color in this Prophere edition because this black and red is perfect. It's perfect for your summer, perfect for your casual, and if you walk with this, like everyone's eye will be on you for I'm sure about that. And when you come closer, you have a netted kind of stitch over here, and there's a two pattern. One is this line pattern and one this is the normal plain pattern. And this edition don't have any extra colors on this Prophere edition, and other edition you have the different color over the stitch, and the three attractive stripes, the kind of a leather material. It's not a kind of leather, it's a kind of artificial thing. And the build of the lace, it's really pretty good. And the Adidas logo is over here. The logo is not so visible in this edition, but it's fine, it's kind of shiny. And one more Adidas logo over here, and over here it's so sexy, sleek, kind of shark nose kind of thing, which is common in Adidas. And I don't know why this part of Adidas made this like a very like uncutted finish kind of thing. And one more attractive thing is this part. It's like a nicey and clean and sexy finish with this crocodile pattern. These shoes are really attractive when you wear it outside. Like everyone's eye will be on you for sure. And over on the sole, you have the same pattern and the Adidas logo over here. And you can check the durability. It's like very stiff. It doesn't bend. It is very strong and very bulky shoes. Very bulky shoes. And if you are wearing like Easy and other Boost shoes and all, you feel when you wear this one, you feel it's really big and bulky. Okay, thank you everyone.